Hey everyone, spectacular day, beautiful evening, glass of wine, let's talk politics. Seriously, I want to know your thoughts on this. I do not talk politics. For me, ignorance is bliss. I have feelings on both sides of the coin. I can't even describe. Anyway, my husband is obsessed. He listens to it now he's working at home. He's listening to it at home. Hey babe. And I do not believe in talking politics. So let me tell you, I have been, aside from, being online and talking politics, I've been a hairstylist for 35 years. Retiring now, which is really cool, but you learn, don't talk politics, don't talk religion. Well, one of the things I do on my page, if anyone looks at anything on my page, right, they would know I'm a Christian, and I don't have a problem talking about stuff like that, but I refuse to talk politics. And I realized, and I really want to know what your thoughts are. And if you feel it's okay, because I got to be honest, when someone friend requests me and they have a ton of political stuff on their page, I'm like, I don't know, because I don't want to get into debates and stuff. I had a client years ago that, I'm sorry, Sherry Underwood, hi. If we don't know each other, please introduce yourself. Hey, Naraya. And I had a client years ago, and she was talking politics, and at the time I said, oh, my husband really likes that president, and of course I'm not going to say who, right? But anyway, and she was like, oh, do you want to stop doing my hair? Do you want me to stop coming? What? I've known you for 20 years. Politics has never, ever, hey, Rachel, never come between us. I didn't allow it, right? So I really want to know what your thoughts are on online marketing, because most of you have businesses that I'm speaking to on here, and I really want to know what your thoughts are. Hey, Ruth. And I had another client one time, and she was freaking out about what was going on. They can be, right? This woman was totally freaking out about something going on in politics. I'm not even going to talk about it, and I was like, Patty, do you have cable? And she said, yes. And I said, well, you probably have about 27 music channels. So how's about going home, turning off whatever, CNN, Fox News, regular news, local news, whatever. How about turn that off and turn up some music and dance around your living room? And let me tell you, she came back and she thanked me, because she was wallowing in it. So I just want to know, stubbed my toe on this table. I just want to know what your thoughts are on sharing. Exactly. Yes. Thank you, Rachel. I choose not to engage. Yes, exactly. And if someone wants to post something, that's fine, but I don't want baited. I don't want, hey, Tammy, I don't want to get in discussions about it, even with my husband. My husband and my brother on the same page, and they feed off of each other. That's just not me, So just some thoughts. Like I said, it's not, I don't talk to people about religion. I just am who I am. I believe what I believe. I've been accused of not thinking, hey, Susan, hey, Nancy, not thinking the way that I should. And that's annoying, but I can let it go. But yes, engagement. That's it, Rachel. That's it. I don't want to engage. So I just want to know your thoughts. You know, we all have online businesses. I think it's nice to be, yes, it's a beautiful day. Thank you. And I think we all need to just kind of be careful about, this is just my thought, and I want to know, I want to know your thoughts. Like, I want to know, my thought is we should be ourselves, but not have to be in a debate online, right? That's just me. For me, ignorance is bliss. We don't even have cable, like literally. We have Netflix, we have Hulu, whatever. We have a HD antenna. We can get, you know. We don't even have cable. I don't watch the news. I always say, if I need to know what it is, my neighbor across the street's gonna let me know. If I need to know what's really going on. All right, so beautiful day, beautiful evening. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your Sunday. Cheers to you. I'm going to sit and relax and have a glass of wine, but I want to hear your thoughts. All right, have a blessed one, guys. Yay. Yay. All right, good answer. Okay, good night.